Hello guys, this is Andre and I have some gadgets na all my gadgets collection. So, the first one, this is my Samsung Galaxy S6 Lite and it's low bat, you can see. And this is my Huawei Wi-Fi 2 and I call him Huawei Kuni 29. So this is my Game Boy. So I don't know what is this. So this is my Samsung TV. So this is my Samsung. This is my dad's phone. So this is Samsung A35. So this is my Oppo A5s. I will look in all. So this is my Samsung. This is my Samsung Neo. So this is my camera and it's running Android but it's dead. It's perfectly dead. So this is my Nokia C201. So you can see. So this is my Technospark 6. So it's perfectly dead. This is my Technospark 6 Go. My phone that I use in 1 year. This is my Cherry Mobile Astro 2S. I asked my friend Hector for this phone. So this is my Samsung Galaxy J1. I forgot this in the Samsung collection. I don't know that I forgot it's in there. So this is my iPhone. This is my iPhone 11. So it does work in charger, but it will blow up. Perfect. So this is my Samsung A03s. The LCD is super bad. And the AMOLED is cracked. So this is my Samsung Galaxy A30. So the battery does not work. I just split them off. So this is my HTC Incredible S. I have this phone a month. I found this on the outside. It's my friend Hector. So this is my Samsung Galaxy B312. I like this phone, but it does work. And the cases now. This is my iPhone 11 case. This is my earbuds i7 mini. So this is all my chargers like type C, type USB, and type others like. So this is my smartwatch. What? I forgot the name because this is an knock-up Apple Watch. She gave me on this when it's Christmas, but it's on school. Someone gave me this on school when it's Christmas. When I'm grade 2, someone gave this. And this is lost. So, and this is my DotPad C5. I don't fix it well. My Hector have that phone, but it's drained. So this is not drained because it have power saving 100%. So this is my Samsung Galaxy A03s casing. I don't want to pick them up, so I just want this color red case, so it's broken. But I didn't hear my mom, so my mom said it's Filipino. Gamitin mo tong casing na cellphone. So it's in Filipino because we are in Filipino. We are in, oops, super light. That's my outside. So you can just look at it. So that is my friend's house, Hector. So there's many kids. And so this is my neighbors. But I use them as a phone connector. So this is my broken AirPod. So you can see the battery. But it does work. But the power button is stuck. So this is my head charger. So this doesn't work. It has a chemical, a broken chemical. So if you charge it, this will explode. I don't want it. Just found this on my bedroom. So this is my smartwatch charger, and it does work. That's all my knock up I Apple Watch. So this is my Kobe smartwatch, Kobe C2 smartwatch, but this is MediaTek. So this is my light. This is now not gadget. This is my light, and I use this when it's brown out. I use this when it does brown out, when it's flooding on TV. So this is my another light, and I use this to my no lights too when it's brown. So this is Dalos smartwatch. That is it. I can wait. Oh, it's stuck. I can. So we will get that. Get. I'm perfect. It's stuck. Help! I'm stuck. So it's stuck now. So this is my earbuds, big earbuds. So this is my AirPod, and it does work, but it does work and have bad. So this is my smartwatch that is not working. So this is my other chargers in my inventory. So this is my not smartwatch. This is my watch that I use when I was. So bye bye. I will.
Magana pa yun ha. Ba't mo gamitin yun?
Also, I forgot my headphones. It's just in there. So bye bye guys again.